Don't do it. I don't want him to move. We have a bird, a seagull, that we've been feeding is on
our roof.
On the top of the car. You see him up right there? Whoop. See him right there? Oh, he just went away. Right, Haley?
Yes, we did.
We're feeding the birds?
Yes, we did.
Hold on, let's see if we can get another one to go up there. I'm going to take this big piece of pancake and I'm put it on YouTube. Yeah, I'm going to take this big piece of pancake and I'm going to put it up there and see if some bird is brazen enough.
Oh!
All right, but you're scaring them away. My child is scaring the experiment away. I got a big piece of cake up on top of the car. Let's see who is the bravest seagull. Let me have another piece of cake. Give me one more piece of cake. We're going to throw another piece of cake up there. It's up there. 2 pieces of cake. Let's see if it gets a seagull to take the risk. What do you think, Haley? You think they're going to go up and get some cake? You like that cake, right? It was good cake?
I'm eating it right now.
She's eating the cake.
Big one.
All right, this is a monster piece of cake. It's going up. I think I missed. Give me another piece of cake. One more piece of cake. Now let's see. Oh, somebody's bringing their dogs over. It's always the person with dogs that destroy the party. Of course, someone had to be walking the dog, and they scared away my prospective viral video.
Oh, they're coming back.
Give me another piece of the cake, girl. Another piece of cake is going up on top of the car. These seagulls are smart. They think this is a trap. All right, we're sitting, waiting for some seagulls to enjoy this wonderful treat of cake that we've given them.
Oh, by the way.
$3. And we're gonna wait. Do you like feeding the birds, Haley?
No, yes.
These birds are afraid today.
They just won't come up.
There's 4 pieces of cake that he could come up and grab. Like we're like nature watchers here.
My dad watches a lot of shows with animals.
Yeah, we're animal watchers.
Yeah, I want a dog.
You want a dog?
Mm-hmm.
I got him. He's eating it, see? He's got the cake.
Ooh. Oh, he's on my roof. Oh, he's right there. Yeah. Oh, there's a lot.
There's cake.
Yeah.
Ready? Cake.
Oh. Geez. Ooh,
Oh, they got the cake. One more time for the cake. Yes.
Oh my God. Oh, he has blood. He has blood on.
Feeding the seagulls.
The faded seagulls.
Whoa.
And we're going to be filming more seagull shows.
More seagull shows coming up from the Media Mart. And time for Haley, right?
By the way, you can check out me and Daddy.
Check out Time for Haley, right?
Yes, Time for Haley and I do baking shows. I love baking. Oh my God.
We do animal shows, car shows, cooking shows, all kinds of shows for all of your enjoyment consumption. All right, Haley, we got to get going home. You ready to go? All right, say bye.
Bye, everybody. See you on Time for Haley or on the Media Mart.
Say bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye.
I've got no more cake for you guys. That's it. We're done.